Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna be talking all about this Tatum belt bag from ANDAR. Hello, I hope you're doing well. Boy, do I have an awesome bag to share with you today, and that is the ANDAR Tatum bag. I have been wanting to try this bag for quite some time, so I'm excited to finally share it with you today. I'm going to go through this belt bag with you, show you the different strap options that this one has. I'm also going to do a quick try-on kind of comparison between this one and their classic indie belt bag, which you guys know is another one of like my top favorite belt bags. Show you the different strap options for that one, and then we're gonna pack this one up so that you can see what fits inside. All right, so like I just mentioned, this here is a good one. I really love the design of this bag. I love the size of it. I love how you can wear it and it just feels like one big hug. ANDAR's leather is so top notch. The quality is really, truly unreal. It's one of my favorite leather companies. This is full grained, kind of pebbled leather. As you can see here, I'll zoom in a second so that you can see it a little bit more up close. But they have this belt bag here in a couple of different colorways and leather options. They have a woven leather option with this one that I also really love. But there's just something about this particular color for fall that really drew my attention, and it's absolutely gorgeous in person. So let's kind of go through the different pockets and whatnot of this bag. On the back of the sling bag, you do have one kind of hidden zipper pocket, but inside this pocket, which is something that I love, is you actually have card slots. Let me zoom in so you can see it. On the very, very back of this pocket, you have 3 different card slots, and I was actually able to fit 2 or 3 cards in each one, so you can actually fit a good number in there. I love it because this is kind of like a built-in wallet. You can put cash and receipts and checks or whatever you have in this big part and have your cards here. I absolutely love it. I think this feature is something that's really special. Opening up this main opening of the bag, it's kind of designed like a U-shape here, and it opens up nice and wide so you can get everything in and out of it really easily. You have 2 back pockets, 1 front pocket that actually still have a lipstick in, but no interior zipper pockets. So as you can see here, you have 2 pockets in the back, and then you have 1 pocket here kind of in the very front of the bag. So just a little bit of organization on the inside, and then of course that awesome zip pocket in the back. Trying this bag here on for you, I love the way that it fits. I love the way that it feels. I've really been enjoying carrying it, if you can't tell. But this here is how I typically will wear this belt bag, up just a little bit higher. Since it is kind of a nice big sling, I feel like it fits really well and comfortable on the body. Like I said earlier, it's kind of like one big hug when you have it on, because it just is super soft to carry. So this is what it looks like here on the body. I am 5 foot nothing, just kind of for size reference, and I do have a smaller torso, so I'm not very tall, and I feel like it fits me just great. So if you're taller, it's gonna be even better on you, I feel like. But this is how this one looks on the body. One thing that they just recently added that I am obsessed with are the different strap options for the Tatum as well as the indie belt bag. Each of these bags come with this classic kind of ANDAR canvas strap, which I will try on for you in just a second so you can see how it really does change up the look of the bag. But you can purchase separately a leather strap option that comes in whatever color you order, and it's sized obviously to the exact belt bag that you have. They come on and off really easily with these snap kind of closures. So this one here just snaps off, and then you can remove the strap this way. Let me go ahead and put the canvas one on so you can see what that one looks like. All right, here's a look of what the bag looks like with the canvas strap attached to it. Honestly, if I had to pick between the two, I really like both of them, so I'm glad that it's an option to have either one of these straps, because I do feel like this canvas one is just a little bit more casual, if you will. But I feel like putting on that leather strap really kind of dresses up this bag a little bit more. The canvas one is just as comfortable as the leather. I don't feel like there's one that's more comfortable over the other. They're both the same exact width. It's really just a personal preference, but this is what the canvas strap kind of looks like versus that leather one. This one especially, I'm gonna show you on the Indy so that you can see the different strap options on that one. With that belt bag being so much smaller, you can see more of the strap when you're wearing it, obviously. Whereas with this Tatum, you can really only see the strap very little up here and obviously on the back of you, just because it takes up most of the front of your body, if that makes sense. But I really like the option of being able to switch out these straps. Throwing on this Indy here for you quickly, I have the leather strap right now kind of attached to the bag. So this is what the Indy looks like in comparison here to this Tatum, which is much larger than the Indy. I love this belt bag. My favorite color in this bag has to be the sand, which is the one that I have now. I love the shade of brown. I feel like it matches a ton. I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down. It's just a really good kind of smaller belt bag that you can throw into larger totes or backpack and then kind of grab this out if you need to like run in and out places. It's really just a great kind of everyday belt bag. So this is what this one looks like with the leather strap. And this here is what it looks like with the canvas strap. So just kind of a different look altogether. When you switch up these straps, I really like changing this one a lot because I feel like I mentioned earlier that you can really see the difference since the Indy belt bag is just a little bit smaller. So a couple of different options that you can play with these. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and pack up this Tatum belt bag so that you can really see what fits inside. Also, I will have links to both of these bags down below with my ANDAR discount code. I believe it is for 15% off, which is awesome. And then I will also have a link to my What's in My Bag blog post page. If you're looking for an item that I've packed in one of my bags, the odds are you're gonna find it over there. But if not, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, here it is all packed up. I am so surprised at how much this bag actually holds. I feel like I could put even more in here than what I did, and I have a lot packed in here for like a smaller to medium sized sling, and there's still a lot of like softness to the bag and like give and kind of like squish to it. So I really like it. It's so comfortable when you put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back zipper here of the bag. I can easily fit my cell phone anywhere in this bag. I have it over there actually on the counter, so I don't have it packed in here, but I know a lot of you asked me about that, especially with smaller bags, as far as what pockets cell phones will fit in. I usually just keep my phone on me, or if I'm wearing this bag, I will kind of slip it in this back pocket. This back pocket I utilize as my wallet. So everything in here is what I would carry in like a large size wallet. I have cash just down inside the bag here in the pocket loosely. And then I have this little coin purse, and inside here, I just have literal coins. And the reason I'm carrying them is because I will typically pull this out if I'm at like one of the kids' football games, or I need a concession stand or something like that. So I've been carrying around like a small little coin purse lately for that reason. And then I'm using the wallet that is inside, or the card case I should say, that is inside the bag here. Let me zoom in kind of so you can see it a little bit better. I'm able to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards in this card slot in the very back of the bag here. It's awesome. I think that it's great to just be able to slide the cards that I need in and out of that back pocket, especially when I have this bag like against my body. It is just a great kind of built-in feature, but there's obviously a ton of room inside here if you want to put maybe like a dinner wallet or a poppy with like some coins or whatever inside this back part. You still have a ton of room. Receipts, checkbooks, all of that. I just kind of use this, like I said, as my wallet. Moving on to the main opening here of the bag. You can see when I open it up, like I mentioned earlier, that there's still a ton of room in this bag. I have here in just kind of the main opening of the bag, loosely I have my hand cream. I also have gum. I have my Kindle here, which is a awesome fit in this bag. I also have a big lip gloss, and I have my O-Venture keyring, my ANDAR chapstick holder, and my keys just hanging out in there. I did want to point out that a regular size book fits really well inside here also. So if you are a book lover, but you don't necessarily carry a Kindle, this would still be an awesome option for you. I mean, no problem whatsoever. And this is a pretty large size book. So if you have a smaller planner or a notebook, you'd be okay in here also. There's just a lot of room in that main pocket there. Then back here, you have two slip pockets. I have my Touchland hand sanitizer in one, and then over in this one, I just have my AirPods kind of tucked down in there. And then the only other thing I have in here is inside this front pocket. I find it easier to just use all of the internal organization than try to add pouches in here. But I mean, you see all the room in here, you could easily add a little pouch if that's kind of better for you. But I have a little perfume, eye drops, my hair tie, a clip, lipstick, and I think, oh no, and a little travel mascara down in there. So all of that fit nicely inside this pocket here. So that is everything that I have packed up in this Tatum bag here. Sorry, there it goes. It looked like it was out of focus there. As you can see, tons of space in here. I just love it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful. If you were interested in a review and packing video on this ANDAR Tatum bag, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.